Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Alright you guys, so today's video I'm going to share with you all my go-to travel essentials for my natural hair. So you guys, I've been wanting to do this video since the summertime, but this summer was literally like 2 seconds long. Thumbs up if you agree. Now I'm actually going away to visit some family in a few weeks, and I was like, you know what, this would be the perfect time to do this video for you guys. And also I'm going to be reviewing a handbag that was sent to me that I'm going to be using for this trip. The brand that contacted me is called Teddy Blake New York. They make handbags in Italy, but they're based in New York. They have really nice high quality bags, you guys. They have leather, suede, some are leather and suede. The one that I actually picked out is leather and suede. Their bags are just really nice quality and very different. This is the bag that holds all of my hair products. I would say to get yourself a bag like this. My mom actually got me this, but if I can find where she got it from, I'll put a link down below. But just having a nice bag like this keeps everything organized. So when I'm traveling, you guys, my goal is to not have to wash my hair. Like, I am not about to go on vacation and then worry about wash day. So what I do to avoid having to wash my hair while I'm traveling is I wash my hair before I leave to travel, so that when I'm actually away I don't have to do much to upkeep it. But just in case I do have to wash my hair while I'm traveling, I still want to be prepared and have everything that I'll need. So the first thing that I have here is this kit. This one has unrefined coconut oil, this one is a spray bottle with water, and this one has extra virgin olive oil. So you guys know that I love to pre-poo my hair overnight with coconut oil, but when I'm traveling, of course, I don't have time to do an overnight pre-poo, but I will still use this while I'm traveling. If I had to wash my hair, I would just apply this generously all over my hair, finger detangle as normal, and then hop into the shower. Every natural needs a spray bottle with water, so of course I'm bringing that. And then the extra virgin olive oil is what I use to seal my hair. So the next thing that I have is a shampoo bar. The one that I have is by Shea Moisture. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Bentonite Clay shampoo bar. I like how cleansing this is, but it does not strip my hair and it's still moisturizing. This shampoo bar is perfect because of its performance and also the size. Although I will be skipping the whole pre-pooing step because no one has time, but I will make time for a little quick deep condition. What I'm bringing with me is the Organic Root Stimulator Replenishing Conditioner. I just love this. It has moisturizing ingredients, it has proteins, so it gives your hair a really nice moisture protein balance. And these little packets are perfect to travel with because you see how small this is. Like, it will not take up much room at all. So after the whole washing process, that's what I would do if I had to wash my hair. I would move on to styling. I would apply my leave-in conditioner first. When I'm traveling, I'm trying to minimize the amount of products that I pack, so I would recommend that for a leave-in conditioner you take a moisturizing product that can work as both a leave-in conditioner and also a refresher. A perfect example of that is the Oin Handmade Hairdo. So it's really funny because I actually used this to refresh my hair today, and I would say my curls look really nice. This is 4th day hair, you guys. So after the leave-in conditioner, of course, I'm following up with a good heavy cream, and my fave is the Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic. It's a really thick cream. It looks like a butter. If I want to put my hair up, I'm taking with me an edge control. This is the edge control that I've been loving. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade. I worked with Style Factor earlier this year. They introduced me to this product and I love it. As far as, like, I guess miscellaneous things, in case I do need to wash my hair, I apply this after I've washed my hair to soak up the excess water. And then also have my silk scarf that I'm going to be bringing with me. And that is all of the products that I'm taking with me. As you guys can see, it is not a lot of stuff. I'm going to put this in my Teddy Blake bag, and it is so spacious that I can fit all of that and still have so much more space for adding more things, like my personal things and all that jazz. So I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what is like your #1 go-to traveling essential for your natural hair. Feel free to share this video and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.